Hi guys and girls, welcome back to another episode of We Are One Automotive. I realized I have a few new followers, and I figured I'd give you guys a quick interior shot of the truck. Got a small 10 Hyphonics amp, jack location back behind my seat. Got a Chicago collar. Steering wheel column lock. Old school Pioneer deck with the bass knob located right here for my stereo. That's pretty much it in here, guys. Oh, I have a bunch of stickers. Give me a second. Well, there you guys go. I only got a handful of stickers left. If you guys want one, let me know in the comments. Hit up my DMs, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. Let me know. I'll send them out to you. Remember, we are one. You gotta love your trucks and cars, projects, anything that you guys are working on. Just gotta enjoy it. And that's how I'm starting today's episodes. Got stickers, quick little interior shot of my truck. Got a sunroof, a 3-piece sliding window. It's a pretty cool truck. Got it about 2 years ago before my disability, or before my diagnosis of multiple sclerosis, and since then I've been attempting to finish the small block swap in here by myself and trying to do this with the knowledge that I was able to regain from previous projects and previous jobs, tasks, and experiences. I've done this 3-4 times. This is my 8th S10 stick along. It's gonna be a good show eventually. Yeah, peace out.